This is a 50 pack of Linen-Feel Napkins by Prestige, and they are awesome. They are so absorbent and also luxurious feeling too. Check this out. Super thick, and this is perfect to use for dining as well as in your bathroom too. Perfect for guests to use at your next event, and that way it's a little bit more hygienic than using the same hand towel. Let me show you a close-up of what they look like. Super thick and durable, perfect for your next event. They're also very strong as well. You get 50 of these, and these are perfect for bridal showers, weddings, birthday parties, family reunions, and any other gathering that you have. I was sent these from Prestige, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.